Hold it! On them fucking smoke. No, I'm serious. But how are you doing the like so like how you doing like the Dude, you saw too many crickets on that shit, dude. How you do that shit? I wanna know. Hold up.
Offside.
Can your ability? Do you move your tongue or your lips?
Take it out. I move my tongue.
No, I can whistle. I don't know anything how do you like do your are you wiggling your tongue or are you wiggling your lips?
My tongue to the fucking right spot. I'm fucking loose flat.
Oh.
And I just first out.
Dude, that's so drill. I want to know how to do this.
That my girl briefly. Offside.
Out of bounds, gotta be.
Yeah. Second and 5.
Take it down, 5 yards. Next play.
Second and 10.
Second and 10, outside.
At least we don't have to be them waking up.
Dude,
Five to 4 round.
I'm having fun with that, dude. That's awesome. It's not like Jiminy Cricket, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, Jiminy Cricket's the man, dude. That's like a real person. Like he's not a person, but he's real. You know what I'm saying? Can't be fake.
Can't be fake.
Don't be fake.
Can't be fake.
Don't be fake.
No. I'm a fucker.
Of course, yeah. We're talking about the third guy back.
Like a monster episode of Adult Study in Philadelphia.
How you doing?
Gotta be some.
Oh, you whistle like one.
Hey!
Hello.
Awesome, dude. I've never done that before. I've never heard it. I've never heard it before, but I've never like, give me a cigarette.
Hey!
You want? What are you doing? I gotta piss in the rainforest. Use the restroom. PG-13.
I think we've blown that out of the water already.
Dude, like so far out of the water, it's like. Offsides on the PG-13. I thought you were dude. If they catch
You want to take it off the plane, bud?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, me too.
Can I go to your house? Because I'm kind of homeless right now.
Dude. Oh, hello.
I'm kidding.
He comes from the West Coast, and he's awesome. Like, West Coast
I'm
awesome.
from the East Coast, came to the West Coast. I tell you what I tell you. But it ain't really.
Do not suck that down to the last quarter on it. It's off. You're not drinking, but don't fucking half. Only half. To your son, asshole. Don't fucking suck that shit down to the bottom again. Alright, go. Yeah! I was hoping you'd do it all. That's what for reserve. That had the mic.
Ma'am.
You said ma'am.
Great. I like it here. I got you first.
Yeah, you're so like 3 hours late on that one, by the way. I mean, I'm married and shit, and you need to hit on that, but she's married too.
I'm married too. To the world. I'm trying to make it a better place.
Nice, dude, nice. How do you feel about being married to the person who's married to the
Would you marry a guy that's married to the world already?
I don't think so. I think there'd be enough room for me.
Dude, she's already married. Don't get shut down, dude. She's already married. Don't worry about it. Security behind me that's not quite figured out how to not have attitude. I really don't even make